Hello, my name is Adam Huff, and I am the Nursing Simulation Center Manager here at Cedar Crest College's School of Nursing. I will be your tour guide for today's virtual tour, so let's get started. The School of Nursing uses the Nursing Simulation Center as an adjunct to both classroom and clinical experiences. The work that faculty and students take part in with the Nursing Simulation Center fosters the integration of theory into practice, providing a safe environment that allows for the inclusion of high-risk, low-frequency situations that students may not see in the clinical setting. The Nursing Simulation Center employs a state-of-the-art AV system that enables students to record skill sessions with the flip of a switch, and faculty to live stream simulation sessions to almost every space in the Hamilton Boulevard building. The labs are open 20 hours per day, which students can access using their swipe card. The Health Assessment Lab houses a variety of skills trainers, including those used to learn techniques for regional anesthesia, airway management, and arterial and central venous pressure placement, as well as other clinical skills. This sim lab is reconfigurable and is currently set up as an intensive care unit with patient monitor, live head wall, and an active simulated oxygen supply and wall suction. This is where one of the adult high-fidelity simulators resides. This simulation lab is used primarily by the maternal and child course. Students can engage with the patient via a simulated birth. This includes an uncomplicated and complicated delivery. It asks them to utilize critical thinking to determine the best course of action for their laboring mom. The simulated operating room is equipped with patient monitors, simulated gas supplies for oxygen, nitrous oxide and medical air, and active wall suction. This room also contains a working anesthesia gas machine, and this is where the patient simulator resides. The pre-op assessment room has been designed to replicate an outpatient office setting for students to practice performing both physical examinations and taking patients' medical history. The Maternal Child Skills Lab is used primarily by the pediatric and maternal child specialty courses. It offers students the opportunity for simulated experiences that center on caring for infants and children at various stages of development. The Health Assessment Lab is used primarily by the Health Assessment course. Students use this space to learn how to perform vital signs such as blood pressure, pulse, respirations, and temperature. Once these skills are mastered, students perform them in clinical settings, with their patients working in tandem with the primary nurse in the delivery of care. The Adult Acute Care Lab resembles a unit in the acute care setting and is utilized by several courses. Mannequins are utilized across the curriculum for teaching care of the patient with both a simple and complex wound drainage system, as well as tracheostomy and chest tube. The Nursing Fundamentals Lab is used primarily by the Nursing Fundamentals course. The lab offers students the opportunity to focus on basic nursing skills, such as bathing, transferring, oral care, and feeding, as well as more complex skills, such as intake and output management and oxygen delivery and management. The Community Health Lab is set up to resemble an individual's home. Used primarily for the community health course and mental health promotion, students can learn what it is like to care for individuals in their home. This is very different from caring for someone in the hospital setting, as resources and personnel vary. The two simulation labs offer students an opportunity to interact with our high-fidelity human patient simulators. The sim mannequins have an arm that we can administer IV fluids in real time, and we can observe the rise and fall of the chest with respirations, palpate pulses, and monitor vital signs. These courses will have students engage in these high-risk, low-frequency simulation experiences to foster learning and growth in caring for infants, children, and adults. Thank you for taking the time to join us today on our virtual tour of the Nursing Simulation Center here at Cedar Crest College's School of Nursing. We hope to see you soon.